Congratulations and welcome to UC Berkeley. We are so glad to have you here. Today, we're going to be talking about the Berkeley Changemaker. A Berkeley Changemaker is a new program on campus, just been around a few years, and in the next probably 60 seconds to 2 minutes, we're going to tell you everything you need to know. It's my pleasure to introduce Associate Vice Chancellor Lyons.
Thanks, Laura, and thanks too, Laura, for all the leadership you've shown in this program among the many, many faculty who are part of it. So, at the end of the day, people want to know, well, what is this thing? It sounds like a shiny object, sounds like it fits with Berkeley, but you have to have content pillars if you want to get people's attention. And there are three fundamental ones in the Berkeley Changemaker program: critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. And when we use the term communication, we're thinking mostly oral, but not completely. And critical thinking, you can also think a little bit as problem solving. These are some of the things that employers care a lot about, but this isn't just a program for employers. This is a program to make you successful at anything you want to do, including preparing you to be super successful at Berkeley. So the next slide here is really when we think about kind of the data quickly. What is the program? What's it doing? In just about 3 years, over 20% of Berkeley's undergrads have enrolled in a Berkeley Changemaker course. So it's on fire is one way to think about it. Lots of courses you can see there, lots of faculty contributing. That's important as well. Many of them, all our faculty are great, but these are some of the greatest of the great as you get a chance to experience them in this program. And also, this program is really about a wider, more inclusive way to deliver change making, to deliver entrepreneurial thinking, to make sure that you have a sense of personal agency in your life. So the diversity and inclusion is really an important part of the program. Back to you, Laura.
If you'd like to learn more about the Berkeley Changemaker, please hover your camera over the QR code here to be taken directly to our website. Please follow us on Instagram for the latest and the greatest for announcements of classes, upcoming programs, promotions, things like that. And if you'd like to meet us in person, we will be tabling at Cal Day on April 22nd all day. You'll find both one of our student clubs, Changemakers at Berkeley, in the student area on Sproul Plaza, and you'll find Rich and me tabling in the information and academic hubs area with the Office of Undergraduate Education. We look forward to meeting you. We'll meet you also, if those of you who are incoming transfer students, at the Golden Bear Welcome. It is our pleasure to speak with you today. Thank you so much for your time, and go Bears.
Go Bears.